Hello students, we'll start with exercise 6.4. Now before starting 6.4 we need to know some formulas. So get this list of formulas. Now in this exercise we are not going to find any set. We will use only cardinal numbers. Cardinal number means number of values of set. So there are certain formulas. Now what are the formulas? First one is number of A union B equals number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. This is the first formula. Second, number of A minus B equals number of A minus number of A intersection B. Means if you want to find A minus B, what you do? From A, you subtract what is common between A and B. So from A, you are subtracting A common B, A intersection B. In the same way, if you want to find B minus A, what you will do? From B, you will subtract what is common between A and B. Okay, this makes the third formula. Fourth one, if you want to find the complement of anything, always remember, if you want to find the complement of anything, complement means A dash, B dash, or anything complement. What you do? You subtract it from the universal set. Okay. For example, if you want to find the complement of A union B, this is called complement. If you want to find the complement of A union B, what you do? You subtract. This is universal set. You subtract A union B from the universal set. We want to find A union B complement. So what we do? We subtract A union B from the universal set. We will get the complement. Okay. In the same way, if you want to find the complement of A intersection B, what will you do? You will subtract A intersection B from the universal set. Okay. Now there is one special formula. This is for one sum. It will help you in solving one sum. That is number of A minus B plus number of A plus B equals cardinal number of A minus B plus cardinal number of A plus B is A union B minus A intersection B. This formula will help you in solving one sum, that is the last sum, question number 7. Okay, this is important. Complement you must know. Okay, for example, of this complement formula, you can also write that if you want to find A complement, what will you do? From the universal set, you will subtract A. Okay, or if you want to find B complement, what will you do? From the universal set, you will subtract B. Okay, this is called as complement. Now this comma will come outside the bracket. Just to make the change, make this comma outside the bracket. These are the formulas. Copy the formulas, learn them thoroughly. Now one by one we will be using the formulas in the numericals. Okay, keep these formulas in front of you. For every sum, keep referring to them, because now you have not learned it yet. So keep referring to them again and again. Learn them. Let's start with, we will do question number 2 to 7 first. So exercise 6.4, question number 2. Question number 2, what is given? The universal set is 85. The value of universal set is 85. N of A is 51. N of B is 44. And N of A intersection B is 17. Now what do we have to find? We have to find first number of A union B. Okay, what is the formula for A union B? A plus B minus A intersection B. Okay, so copy this formula. A plus B minus A intersection B. Okay, very simple. What is N of A? 51. What is N of B? 44. Minus what is A intersection B? 17. Okay, so this is 95 minus 17. What will be the answer? It will be 78. Okay, very simple. B, we have to find N of A minus B. What is A minus B? A minus B, the formula is A N of A minus N of A intersection B. This is the formula. You can see here it is. Okay, so what is A? A is 51 minus A intersection B is 17. Answer will be 34. Next is N of B minus A. What is B minus A? N of B minus N of A intersection B. So what is the value of B? 44 minus A intersection B is 17. This is 27. Direct answers. You are getting direct answers. So N of A union B complement. What is A union B complement? It is universal set minus A union B. Universal set minus A union B. What is universal set? It is 85 minus what is A union B? Don't see the question, because in the question we do not have A union B. We have A union B here. A union B is 78. So A union B is 78. We have found here A union B is 78. So answer is 7. Then E. N of A intersection B complement. So complement कैसे मिलता है? From the universal set subtract A intersection B. That is 85 minus what is A intersection B? 17. Answer will be 68. This is your first sum. Next, you can pause the video and copy the sum. Third one. Again, in the third question, we have 4 sub questions. First, I'll write the given. Universal set is 52. N of A is 31. N of B is 17. And A intersection B is 8. Now using this information we can easily solve. First we have to find n of A union B. Means the first formula. What is A union B? A plus B minus A intersection B. What is A? 31. What is B? 17. What is A intersection B? 8. Okay, so this will be 48 minus 8. Answer is 40. Okay, then we have to find, you can pause the video, copy the sum properly. Okay, don't be in a hurry, solve it slowly. Now what is n of A complement? How to find complement? From the universal set subtract A. Simple. So what is the universal set? 52. And what is A? 31. So your answer will be 21. Okay. C. We have to find n of A union B complement. How to find this? From the universal set. Complement find करना है ना, तो from the universal set subtract A union B, because उसी का complement चाहिए. Subtract A union B. What is universal set? It is 52. What is A union B? We have found A union B in the A part. 40. So answer is 12. A minus B. What is A minus B? How to find A minus B? From A subtract what is common between A and B minus A intersection B. So A is 31, A intersection B is 8. Answer will be 23. This is your third sum, sorry. Fourth question. What is given? A is given as 29. Cardinal number of B is given as 27. And A union B is given as 47. Now how to do this? What do we have to find? We have to find A intersection B. Okay, so use this formula only, because we know the value of A union B. Use the first formula. A union B is A plus B minus A intersection B. A plus B minus A intersection B. Now from this we know A union B already, 47, so I'll write 47 here. What is A? 29. What is B? 27 minus, we don't know this, so keep it as it is. Then 47 equals, add this, 56. Now shift this n A intersection B on the left hand side, so this minus will become plus here, and this 47 will go on the right hand side, so 56 minus 47. Okay, this is 9. We got the answer. Then the second part is easy. This was the first part. Second one is easy. You have to find A minus B. How to find A minus B? From A subtract what is common between A and B, that is A intersection B. So what is A? A is 29. minus what is A intersection B? Just now you found A intersection B. That is 9. So 29 minus 9 is 20. Question number 5. We have cardinal number of P is 38. Cardinal number of Q is 41. Cardinal number of P intersection Q is 9. And cardinal number of P intersection P union Q dash is 6. And what do we have to find? We have to find the universal set. So there will be two formulas used in this question. How? Let's see. First, let's use the first formula. What is the first formula? A union B. Means here I have P and Q. So I will use P union Q is N of P plus N of Q minus N of P intersection Q. Okay. See, A और B होता था formulas में. This is P and Q. Same. Okay. So here, what is this is 38 plus Q is 41, and what is P intersection Q? It is 9. So this is 79 minus 9, that is 70. Okay, so I got P union Q as 70. Now what do I have to find? I have to find n cardinal number of universal set, and I have P union Q. See, in the question they have given you P union Q complement. That is a hint that you have to use the formula of P union Q complement. Okay, that means A union B complement. What is the formula for A union B complement? It is universal set minus union. जिसका भी complement ढूंढना होता है, you subtract it with the universal set. Okay, now this is already given in the question as 6. Universal set you don't know. Okay, but P union Q you have already found here, 70. Okay, this 70 will come here. 6 plus 70 equals this. So 76 is equals to universal set. Okay, this is your answer for universal set. 76. Copy the sum. Next, question number 6. Here universal set is 64, A is 29, A intersection B is 12, A union B complement is 8. Okay, first I have to find B. How will I find B? Now see, in this question they have given me A union B complement already. So what I'll do, I'll use the formula of A union B complement. That is universal set minus A union B. Okay. Now what is A union B complement? It is 8. What is universal set? 64. minus this I don't know. Okay, this is very important. So that is why I'm finding this first. Now this A union B will shift on the left hand side. So it will become plus A union B. And this 8 will shift on the right hand side. So it will become 64 minus 8. That is 56. Okay, this is important now. This will help us in solving the sub questions. Now the first sub question is we have to find B. So use the first formula. A union B is n of A plus n of B minus A intersection B. First formula. Now this A union B you already know is 56. A is 29. B you don't know. But A intersection B also you know is 12. So 56. This 29 will come here and become minus 29. This minus 12 will shift on the left hand side and become plus 12. Okay, solve this. (56) minus 29 plus 12. Your answer will be 39. That means B is 39. Cardinal number of B is 39. Okay. Further, the B part. I'll do in continuation here. The B part, you have to find n of B minus A. What is B minus A? It is B minus what is common between A and B. This is the formula for B minus A. You can check the formula. I have given you the list of the formulas. These are the list of the formulas. So see, B minus A is B minus A intersection B. So what is B? B we just found out 39. And what is A intersection B? It is 12. So answer is 27. C part. C part says we have to find B complement. What is B complement? Complement means universal set minus B. What is the universal set? It is 64 for this sum. And minus what is B? 39. So answer is 25. Very simple. Next, let's do the question number 7. Now, question number 7, you have to use the formula I gave you, the last formula. A minus B is 25. B minus A is 20. A union B is 52. So first you have to find A intersection B. Okay, so I gave you one formula, this formula number 6. This formula, A minus B plus A plus B equals A union B minus A intersection B. Okay, to use this formula, so A minus B means 25, B minus A means 20, A union B is 52 minus A intersection B. So 45 is equals to 52 minus A intersection B. Now shift this minus A intersection B on the left hand side, so it will become plus A intersection B, and 52, this 45 will come here, so 52 minus 45, this will become 7. We got the first part. In the second part, we have to find A. Now using this, you can see, so I can use the first one, the first information, A minus B. Use the formula of A minus B. What is A minus B? A minus B is A minus A intersection B. So what is A minus B? It is given in the question, it is 25. See, A minus B is 25. A, we don't know what is A, but we know what is A intersection B. Just now we found A intersection B. That is 7. Now this 7 will go here. So what is the answer? 32. A intersection, sorry, cardinal number of A is 32. In the same way, we have to find B also, cardinal number of B. So in the same way, how can you find B? Use B minus A formula. That is B minus, I'm sorry, this should be intersection. B minus A is B minus what is common between A and B. So this B minus A is given as 27. B we don't know. What is the intersection B? I'm sorry. This B minus A in the question is 20. So just make this 20. And A intersection B is 7. Now this minus 7 will go there. 20 plus 7 equals B. So what will be B? B will be 27. Okay. Copy this sum. We have completed question number 7. That's it for today. Thank you.